Hi everyone, in this session we are going to see how we can use Amazon Q Developer in the AWS console. So in order to see how we can rectify any errors, want to know all the things about my resources. So in such situation we can use Amazon Q over the AWS console. So this is one of the key features that is provided by AWS Amazon Q for the working. Now let's jump directly into the Amazon Q and see how it is worked upon. This is my console, and in the right hand side you are gonna see the section of queue. Click on this option. So first of all, it is gonna ask you to log in into the use case. So if it is like, click on retry, and it is gonna ask you to initiate Amazon queue for the working. Now it is gonna ask you all the details about what kind of login you wanna take in, so which kind of user you are in, so that all details are gonna provide it. Let's say I'm gonna provide all the details and giving the password and providing the authentication from the utilization. Let's see what's the authentication code is. So it's 568604. Now click on sign in. After this is done, you have to give the access for the working. This is the basic working so that you can chat with the console into the utilization. Now this is going to be activated and you are going to see all the things and how we can utilize the Amazon queue into the AWS console. Let's put down some of the questions into the utilization. So before working on it, if you see the get like box, the settings, click on the option I consent to cross region calls. It is going to provide all the details of the entire regions being available. Now click on apply and put down the start question. So the question can be, what was my cost in May month? So it is going to give the billing in the May month. What was my cost into the May month? Let's see what's the answer of it. So till the time it opens, so let's open the bills and cost management into the new tab and wait for the reply to cross verify it. So as you can see, the cost is provided by 3.16. So similarly, if I go into the system and go into the bills, so in the bills I've choose the period of May. So in that section, I can see it is 3.16 for the utilization. So it's exactly the same value. Now, if I want to see all the EC2 instances that are available, so let's say list all my EC2 instances. So let's see whether it is able to give those answers or not. So right now, let's open the EC2 into the new tab and see. So it has provided me the one EC2 instance available for the use case with all the details about it. Now let's see the same into the same. So as you can see, I'm already only having the one EC2 instance that is available for the use case. Similarly, the answer is provided for only one. So that's how you can know the number of EC2 instances that is taking in the working. So if you want to cross verify, 3A0 is the instance ID. 3A0, the same details has been provided. Now, if you want to see which service costed me most in May month. So let's see whether it is able to give the answer of it. So if we see in the May month, the highest I was costed into the EC2 side. So let's see how it is able to give the answer. But the answer it has provided me is the EC2 1.67 and in the bills it's around 2.36. But how? So if we see in the depth way, so the EC2 working is 1.65 and in the Ohio it's almost 0.03. So might be the average of cents 1.67 because the rest is the costing of net gateway. So it has specifically stated out it is the EC2 instance compute which is the cost that is costing you of the all. So how specific and the particular it provides the detail, you have to utilize that, so accordingly you can put down the inputs. So that's all from this video. Thanks a lot.